Welcome to another MakeForms tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to create a Lightbox Pop-Up in MakeForms. A Lightbox form shows up right in the middle of the screen when someone clicks a button. It helps you grab attention without filling up space on the page. Let's see how to set it up. First, choose the form you want to embed. Go to the Sources tab and scroll down to the Embed Your Form section. Just type in a name for the widget. Once that's done, you'll see a list of widget types to choose from. Select the Lightbox option. To change how the widget looks and works, turn on the Customize Widget Setting toggle. Here you can add a title. That will appear above the form. You can also set how wide the pop-up should be. Then switch on the Change Font option. Pick a font and adjust the text style to match your site. Now focus on the button that people will click to open the form. You can change the text on this button to anything you like, such as request info. You can also set the background and text color of the CTAs to match your website's design. If you want the button to feel larger or more clickable, you can add some padding. This increases the space around the text inside the button, making it easier to tap. There's one last option called Hide on Submit. If you turn it on, the pop-up will close as soon as someone submits the form. When everything looks good, save it, get the code, and paste it into your page, where you want users to trigger the form. Now test it out. When someone clicks the button, the form will open smoothly in the center of the screen. That's all it takes to set up a Lightbox pop-up. Explore the other embed options inside MakeForms.